This historic church was built during the Dutch colonial period, and it reflects the simple yet powerful European architecture of that era. Every stone, every wooden bench, and every window tells a story from centuries ago. For sailors, traders, and settlers, this church was more than a place of worship. It was a place of hope, prayer, and peace. At As sunlight passes through the old windows, you can feel the calmness and silence that has remained unchanged for hundreds of years. The architecture is simple yet powerful. High ceiling, wooden pews, and old stone floors reflect the craftsmanship of another century. These walls have heard countless prayers spoken in hope, fear, gratitude, and faith. For the people who lived inside the fort, this church was not only a place of worship, it was a place of community, a place of pause, reflect, and find strength. As you walk through the church today, the silence speaks louder than words. Soft light entering through the windows creates a calm and sacred atmosphere. Even after hundreds of years, the spirit of this place remains untouched. It stands as a symbol of faith beyond time and a bridge connecting the past and the present. Today, the Girl Fort Church stands as a symbol of religious harmony, colonial heritage, and timeless beauty. It reminds us how history, faith, and culture can exist together in one peaceful place. To visit this church is to listen to the whispers of history and to feel the peaceful presence of faith. I invite you one day come and see.